Hey, I'm Tom and I'm going to be drawing a car today.
Hi, my name is Maureen and I'm gonna draw a car.
My name is Keisuke. I'm going to draw a car.
Alright, let's get started.
Tell you what, I'll draw you my car because it's probably like the easiest car to draw as well.
Definitely want a black car. It would need to be small with a sunroof.
What have I done? Something nice and sleek and aerodynamic, you know.
A garden, so that if you stop somewhere you can like pick a little tomato.
I'm going to go for a bit of a bubble shape here.
Like, I'm really into boxy cars, so I'm gonna do something really retro.
You could have like flowers in there.
Door.
Oh dear, this has gone terribly wrong. Looks like a school bus. It's not a school bus.
Like, I own a car, I should really know what this looks like.
Oh no, it's looking like a milk van.
You could like, if you eat a salad, you could get some basil.
I feel like a preschooler could do a better job than this.
Some board games on.
There's a couple of stories to it as well.
Oh, I think I just did a limousine.
I think that's my flying car.
I don't think it's structurally sound.
Like a party in there.
That'll do. Let's call that done.
That's all?